Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I will share with you how we can run Capcut smoothly on our PC. Often, despite having a good PC, we experience lag issues on the timeline in Capcut. However, if you follow these few settings, Capcut will run very smoothly without any lag on any PC.